Chapter number 3B, Elasticity of Demand, textbook page number 36. Question number 7, observe the following figures and answer the question. First one है identify and define the degree of elasticity of demand from the following demand curve. A, B, C और D उन्होंने दिए हैं, उसके ऊपर से हमें आइडेंटिफाई करना है. A वाला देखते हैं. It is a perfectly inelastic demand. When the change in the price has a no effect on the quantity demanded of the commodity, it is said to be perfectly inelastic demand. That is nothing but elasticity is equal to 0. तो फर्स्ट केस जो है वो परफेक्टली इनइलास्टिक डिमांड का है.
Second one we will see now.
प्राइस इज रिमेनिंग सेम बट द डिमांड इज चेंजिंग. तो यहाँ पे आएगा elasticity is equal to infinite. Zero change in the price brings about an infinite change in the quantity demanded of a commodity. It is said to be perfectly elastic demand. Now third one is a case of unitary elastic demand. That is elasticity is equal to 1. जितना प्राइस चेंज हो रहा है उतना ही डिमांड चेंज हो रहा है. When the proportionate or the percentage change in the demand for the commodity is the same as the proportionate or the percentage change in its price, it is called as unitary elasticity of demand. That is elasticity is equal to 1. अभी डी केस देखते हैं. देखिए डायग्राम को देखते समय आपको पता चल जाएगा कि थोड़ा सा प्राइस में चेंज हो रहा है और क्वांटिटी तो बहुत चेंज हो रही है. मीन जितना प्राइस चेंज हो रहा है उससे ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी चेंज हो रही है. इसे कहते हैं इलास्टिसिटी इज ग्रेटर देन द वन, दैट इज रिलेटिवली इलास्टिक डिमांड. When the proportionate or the percentage change in the demand for the commodity is greater than the proportionate or a percentage change in its price, it is called as relatively elastic demand.
Question number 2 is based on geometric method. Elasticity of demand is equal to lower segment of demand curve below a given point upper segment of demand curve above a given point.
Now first question, demand at a point C is relatively elastic demand. ये हमें true या false की जरिए आंसर देना है. Actually this question is false. Reason हम देखते हैं. Correct answer क्या है इसका? Correct statement is that demand at a point C is relatively inelastic demand. ये elastic नहीं inelastic demand है. इसका reason हम देंगे. The length of the lower segment, ये जो lower segment is less as compared to the upper segment at a point C. Therefore, elasticity is less than 1 and thus at a point C, demand is relatively inelastic. Now second question, demand at a point B is unitary elastic demand. ये भी आंसर false है. करेक्ट आंसर ये है डिमांड एट अ पॉइंट B इज रिलेटिवली इलास्टिक डिमांड है. रीजन इज लेंथ ऑफ द लोअर सेगमेंट इज मोर एज कंपेयर टू द upper segment at a point B. Therefore, elasticity is greater than the 1. Thus, at a point B, demand is relatively elastic. Now, third one, demand at a point D is perfectly inelastic demand. False. Correct statement क्या होगा? Demand at a point D is unitary elastic demand. Reason, the length of the lower segment is equal to the upper segment at a point D. Therefore, elasticity is 1. Thus, at a point D, demand is unitary elastic. Next question. Demand at a point A is perfectly elastic demand. Answer is true. Reason ये है The length of the upper segment is 0 at a point A. Therefore, elasticity is infinite. Thus, at a point A, demand is perfectly elastic.